Here are 5 benefits of plantain leaves. Wound healing. Plantain leaves have natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making them effective in treating wounds, cuts, and insect bites. They can help reduce swelling, promote faster healing, and prevent infection. Digestive aid. When consumed, plantain leaves can help soothe the digestive tract and relieve symptoms of indigestion, ulcers, and acid reflux. Their mucilage content helps protect and heal the stomach lining. Anti-inflammatory properties. The leaves have potent anti-inflammatory effects, which can help in reducing inflammation in the body, particularly in cases of arthritis, skin irritations, or internal inflammations. Respiratory support. Plantain leaves can be used in teas or infusions to alleviate respiratory conditions such as colds, bronchitis, and asthma. They help clear mucus, ease coughs, and soothe irritated air and airways. Skin care. When used topically, plantain leaves can treat skin conditions such as eczema, rashes, and sunburn. They promote skin regeneration and soothe irritation, thanks to their rich antioxidant content,